भारत के प्रधान न्यायाधीश सीजेआई डीवाई चंद्रचूड़ ने कहा कि चुनाव भारत का संवैधानिक लोकतंत्र का मूल आधार है। वहीं न्यायाधीश व्यवस्था की रक्षा करने वाले संवैधानिक मूल्यों को सतत बनाए रखने की भावना को प्रदर्शित करते हैं। सीजेआई चंद्रचूड़ मंगलवार को प्रतिष्ठित ऑक्सफोर्ड विश्वविद्यालय में समाज में निर्णायकों की मानवीय भूमिका के विषय पर अपनी बात रख रहे थे। उन्होंने इस दौरान न्यायिक प्रणाली में अधिक पारदर्शिता लाने में प्रौद्योगिकी की भूमिका पर प्रकाश डाला। सोशल मीडिया पर न्यायाधीशों के खिलाफ की जाने वाली कुछ अनुचित आलोचनाओं को रेखांकित करते हुए भारत के प्रधान न्यायाधीश ने इस बात पर बल दिया कि प्रौद्योगिकी का समग्र प्रभाव न्यायपालिका को समाज के व्यापक वर्ग तक पहुंचाने में मदद करना है। उन्होंने भारत के आम चुनावों को लेकर पूछे गए एक सवाल के जवाब में कहा, चुनाव संवैधानिक लोकतंत्र का मूल आधार है। भारत में न्यायाधीश निर्वाचित नहीं होते और इसका एक कारण यह भी है कि न्यायाधीश हालातों और संवैधानिक मूल्यों को सतत बनाए रखने की भावना को प्रदर्शित करते हैं। सीजेआई चंद्रचूड़ ने कहा, लोकतंत्र में न्यायपालिका की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका है, जिसमें हम परंपरा की भावना को प्रदर्शित करते हैं और साथ ही इस भावना को भी प्रदर्शित करते हैं कि एक अच्छे समाज का भविष्य कैसा होना चाहिए। निर्णय सुनाते समय उन्हें जिन राजनीतिक और सामाजिक दबाव का सामना करना पड़ा, उसके बारे में पूछे जाने पर उन्होंने कहा, न्यायाधीश के रूप में मेरे 24 वर्षों के कार्यकाल में मुझे कभी भी राजनीतिक दबाव का सामना नहीं करना पड़ा। उन्होंने कहा, हमारा जीवन सरकार की राजनीतिक शाखा से बिल्कुल अलग है, लेकिन स्पष्ट रूप से न्यायाधीशों को अपने निर्णयों के व्यापक राजनीति पर पड़ने वाले प्रभाव से परिचित होना चाहिए। यह राजनीतिक दबाव नहीं है, बल्कि न्यायालय द्वारा किसी निर्णय के संभावित प्रभाव की समझ है। विद्यार्थियों ने सीजेआई चंद्रचूड़ से पिछले वर्ष उच्चतम न्यायालय की ओर से विशेष विवाह अधिनियम पर सुनाए गए फैसले के बारे में सवाल पूछा, जिसमें भारत में समलैंगिक विवाह को वैध बनाने के खिलाफ फैसला सुनाया गया था। उन्होंने कहा, मैं यहाँ फैसले का बचाव नहीं करूंगा, क्योंकि एक न्यायाधीश के तौर पर मेरा मानना है कि एक बार फैसला सुनाए जाने के बाद यह न केवल राष्ट्र की बल्कि वैश्विक मानवता की पूंजी बन जाती है।
Infant, she's saying now for her to come with the infant here for mediation is also difficult. Should we transfer it to Kanpur? There's from Lucknow to the Tisazari, and we'll say mediation in Tisazari.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That's much better.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, and last sentence mein mediation before the Tisazari course.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
So with that, we come to an end of the ceremonial bench. Before we request all of you to say a few words, Mr. Sibal, on behalf of us all, heartiest congratulations on your being elected as the president of the SCBA. We look forward to your cooperation and the members of the executive committee.
It's my honor, in fact, that after 22 years, I've been given the opportunity to serve the bar. And from our side, you will have complete cooperation.
Thank you, Mr. Sibal.
And that's our commitment to the bench, because it's through this cooperation that we can take the agenda, the nation forward. Thank you very much.
Mr. Attorney General, would you like to say a few words?
Coming from one of the most beautiful parts of our country, Coorg, and from beauty comes sweetness. I was just trying to recollect an event soon after my lord's appointment. I had gone to a place called Talakaveri, which is very near lordship's birthplace. The temple, I went there, and the head of the temple asked me, knowing that I'm practicing here, Justice Bopanna? I said, certainly, he's one of the most dwells in the court. So I got a VIP treatment in the temple immediately, courtesy just so. I remember how the impact on people, common men like him, I can understand what the judge in the High Court would have had. And I tried to recollect, on a very small event, a lot of things I can say about the sweetness. I've tried to reserve it for the evening SCBA function. One of my juniors, sometime last November or so, just Bopanna, the court had almost risen waiting for the counsel to come. I think Aishwarya Bhatti was up here. No one was in the court. She came rushing into the court. Bopanna was about to leave, almost leaving the court. So I believe he saw her rushing in, and he said, you have the power to hold the court on. I'm coming back and to do justice. What a beautiful gesture on his part. She says something I felt so happy about it. I think that's the way the court, encourages people like us to feel very, very beautiful and part of this great institution. I thought I'll tell her that I will narrate the incident in the court, that she also feels very good about it. There are a lot of things to say about this Bopanna, sir. I'll reserve it for the evening. And I've also penned something in Kannada for the evening function.
Oh. So then I have to match up.
That's right.
Mr. Solicitor General.
Lords, we would miss your lordship, especially your lordship's very cool and calm demeanor in the court. But most, my lord, importantly, my lord, we have on this side, my lord, always experienced a very subtle sense of humor, which your lordships have always exhibited. My lord, that would always be missed. While even in the midst of a very seriously or hotly contested matter, your lordship's humor used to play the role of a calming, my lord, presence, my lord. Lord, I wish your lordships a very successful next inning, my lord, and more particularly, a very healthy life, my lord, and a long life. Thank you.
Mr. Sibbal.
Thank you, Chief Justice. What can I say? I must share with you something that happens to us every evening while you were on the bench. Because when a matter comes up, we ask, which bench is it? And when we hear it's before Justice Bopanna's bench, we heave a sigh of relief.
Blood pressure depends upon that.
The reason, I give you the reason. You epitomize serenity, the serenity of the ocean and the depth of your generosity. I've always felt that coming in your court. And I've never gone away disappointed whether I win a case or lose a case. Hear us with exemplary patience. Never get swayed by what we do in court occasionally. But that's the beauty of the law, and we believe that it is this that gives us the confidence that this court is the court where we will get justice. Thank you very much for being what you are. All the best for the future, because what you did here will remain with us for many, many years. Thank you.
Mohana.
Opportunity to say that, Lord, it's always been a pleasure on behalf of the entire Women Bar and others as well, my Lord. I'm expressing the sentiments that whenever we got an opportunity, like Mr. Sibbal would say correctly, but we always look forward to appear in that court, my Lord. And junior, senior, it doesn't matter. Whoever wanted to say anything without modulation of the voice from the beginning till the end, Lord, your Lordship will observe entire.
नमस्कार।
और आप हमसे जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें YouTube पर, फॉलो करें Twitter पर और लाइक करें Facebook पर। और ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए आपको